Let's take one with a distributive property. So 5 times 5m minus 8 equals 10, 3 plus 2m. So 5 multiplied by 5m is 25m, and then 5 multiplied by minus 8 is minus 40, equals 10 divided by 3, 10 multiplied by 3, I'm sorry, is 30. 10 multiplied by 2m is 20m. And now bring all the variables on one side and all the constants on another side. So 25m minus 20m, this plus will become minus when shifted to that side, equals 30, and this will become plus 40. Now 25 minus 20 is 5m, equals 30 plus 40 is 70. So divide by 5, it's m. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 1m is m. 70 divided by 5 is 14, and that's the answer. Let's do one with the fractional coefficients. So it's 7/4. It's distributive property as well as the fractional coefficients. M plus 20 equals 8 over 5, 20 plus m. All right. So let's multiply this constant outside with all the terms inside the parenthesis. So 7 times 4m plus 7 times 4 times 20. In algebra, we don't put x for multiply like this one, because we often get confused with this. Is it a multiply sign or is it an unknown quantity x? We just put the dot to represent multiplication in algebra. Equals 8 fifths multiplied by 20 plus 8 fifths multiplied by m. So you get 7/4 m. Now this 4, 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 7 times 5 is 35, equals 20 divided by 5 is 4, 8 times 4 is 32, plus 8 fifths m. Now bring all the constants on one side and all the variables on one side. So 7/4 m's minus 8 fifths m equals 32 minus 35. When you will solve this, the common denominator of 4 and 5 is 20. So you get 20, and 7 times 5, 35m, minus 8 times 4 is 32m, equals 32 minus 35 is minus 3. Now 35 minus 32, okay, I'll write it over here. There is little less space. 35 minus 32 is 3m over 20 equals negative 3. This 20 is being divided, so when it will go there, it will go with the multiply sign. So 3m equals minus 60, like 20 times minus 3 is this. Divide by 3 on both the sides, your m value comes out to be minus 20. That's the value of m.